If your Windows PC is stuck at 100% disk usage and your system feels slow, freezes, or takes too long to respond, then this video will help you fix the problem step by step. Just follow each method carefully and you should see a noticeable improvement in performance. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc and click OK. Once the Services window opens, press the letter S on your keyboard to quickly jump to the services that start with S. Now find SysMain in the list. Right-click on SysMain and select Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click on SysMain again and click Stop. Disabling SysMain helps reduce background disk activity, especially on computers using HDD drives. It is safe to disable and does not cause any serious issues. In fact, on most low-end systems, it improves responsiveness. Next, in the same Services window, find Connected Devices Platform Service. Right-click on it and click Stop. Then open its properties. Set the startup type to Disabled, click Apply, and then OK. This service mainly handles device communication and syncing features. Most users do not rely on it constantly, so disabling it can reduce unnecessary background disk usage. It is generally safe to disable unless you frequently use advanced device syncing features. Now open this PC and go to your C drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab and click on Optimize. Here, make sure that Scheduled Optimization is turned off. Sometimes automatic optimization can run in the background and increase disk activity. Turning it off gives you more control and may help stabilize disk usage, especially on traditional hard drives. After that, click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now paste the command that is available on my Blogger website and press Enter. If the system asks whether you want to schedule this disk check the next time the system restarts, press Y and then press Enter. Now restart your computer. During the restart process, Windows will scan your drive for file system errors and bad sectors and automatically fix them if possible. This process may take some time depending on the size and condition of your drive, so do not turn off your PC while it is running. This step is important because corrupted files or disk errors can often cause the 100% disk usage problem. Finally, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. Go to the Startup tab. Here you will see a list of applications that launch when Windows starts. Disable all the apps that you do not need to run at startup by right-clicking on them and selecting Disable. This will reduce boot time, lower background usage, and improve overall system performance. You can enable these apps again anytime if needed. By following all these steps, you should be able to significantly reduce or completely fix the 100% disk usage issue. For the complete written guide and the command used in this video, make sure to visit my Blogger website where everything is explained in detail. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.